You touch my life with your softness in the night. My wish you was command until you ran all of love. I tell myself I'm weak, got the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you go. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knives cuts like a knife. You cast away the heart of my life. When I pretend we're a smile to fool my dearest friends, I wonder if they know it's just a show. I wanna stay day and night. I go through my charade, but how can I disguise what in my eyes? Knives cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knives cuts like a knife. You got away the heart of my life. Ooh, 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 ooh. I've tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Knives cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knives cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deep